Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to my channel Kids Learning. Today we will learn about words that start O and ending Z. O is for orange, owl, ox, ostrich, owl, octagon, oil, octopus, old, onion. P is for pets, piano, pig, pigeon, picture, pickle, people, pie. Q is for question, coin, keyword, quiz, quick, quiet, chords, coil, question mark. R is for ribbon, rise, right, recycle, robin, rattle, rattlesnake, reef. S is for sun, sun bear, sunflower, sunglasses, sword, swipe, summer, sunrise. T is for toolbox, tube, tomato, totem pole, tiger, tent, toast. U is for ugly, umbrella, underwear, unhappy, underground, upset, underwater, under. V is for Venn diagram, van, village, volocraptor, vegetable, valley, vehicle. W is for woodpecker, bomb, word, weed, white, whirlwind, verbs, weasel. X is for xylophone, wax, extra fish, x-ray, mix, X marks, box, fix. Y is for yellow, yo-yo, yogurt, yarn, yolk, yam, yard. Z is for zero, zest, zoo, zucchini, zipper, zigzag, zebra, zuril. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग माई वीडियो। अगर आपको मेरी वीडियो पसंद आई है तो मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, मेरी वीडियोस को लाइक करें, शेयर करें और अच्छे अच्छे कमेंट्स करें ताकि नेक्स्ट आने वाली वीडियो का नोटिफिकेशन आपको इजीली मिल सके।